Alright, here we are in the corridor. This is quit. It's really weird. I don't understand all this. Okay, here we go. It runs pretty smooth when I tried it earlier, so hopefully it will today as well. I woke up in the middle of the night in my apartment. I feel nervous for no reason. Wow, this is really smooth. This does look like a hotel that I've stayed in before, which kind of creeps me out. Oh, I can jump and I just kind of walk up onto stuff. Okay. Nice painting here. Is that a bear? I don't know. Ooh. Church. Looks pretty nice. F. Oh gosh, it opened quickly. It's very strange. I don't remember such a long corridor in the hotel. Okay, this is starting to get creepy. It's midday and I've got like 4 lights on just so the camera can see my face well, and I'm still getting creeped out. What's this painting? It's like folded up. Don't people know not to fold up priceless artwork? Oh, shit. Oh, what was that? Thought I saw something at the end of the hallway. Ring-a-lang. Ring-a-lang. A slender forest right there. I don't want to turn around too much. It scares me. There's just going to be something standing there.
Hello. Hello.
Blurry image. Oh. Did I just see something? I don't want to go. I don't want to play anymore. Nice bit of pills. Some wine. Another piece of priceless artwork. Why is there a Made in China sticker on the back? Oh gosh. Jump scare in 3, 2. Oh, nailed it! Can I shut the door? Yes. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna have to run from something. Was it nice? I don't know if I'm gonna have to run from something. I don't know if I should leave this door open or not. Oh, that's my nose. Have you ever breathed in your nose and like it makes a noise? It's like a whistle and it freaks you out. Oh gosh. Oh, I can't open these. Okay, no, I'm flinching every time I open the door because I just know something's going to be standing there. Oh, it's very dark down there. Just go. Oh, I can sprint with shift. Oh gosh. I'm just going to go back over here now. Close! Close! Okay, that's spooky. Oh, I thought that was blood. It's just spilled wine. Oh my gosh. This is scary. I mean, long corridors. The heck? Oh my gosh. That's awful. The cross is upside down. That's awful. Is he doing like a peace sign, like a rock sign? Yeah, man. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's scary. Ah! That was that. That was that. Don't jump in my face. Don't jump in my face. Oh gosh, this is scary. Close. Is this a long game? I'm playing a scary game. Why are you turning on my lights?
Why you got all your lights on?
I'm videotaping so I can see my face. So I can watch my reactions, because it's going to be funny. It's going to be funny. Oh, I really don't like this. Oh, I really don't like this. With all that web, I really hope there's no spiders. Don't jump out, don't jump out, don't jump out, don't jump out, don't jump out. Oh, gosh. Book it! Oh! Skeleton. Oh, there's gonna be spiders. Oh, there's gonna be giant spiders. What is that? He's gonna chase me, isn't he? He's gonna chase me. Hello? Sir, you look like a monkey. You look like a sock monkey. Oh, my heart's beating. Ooh, I don't like this. Just truck on. Just... What the heck? Oh, this game is really eerie. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be spiders. I really don't like spiders. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Hello? It's very dark now. I'm not turning around. I'm not turning around. Okay, I'm turning around. What is that? What is that? What is... Hello? Are you... You gonna hurt me? You're like a bird. Hello? Okay. You're not... No. I don't know what you are, but I don't like you. That thing wasn't there a second ago, was it? Okay. Oh, I really hate this game now. Close. Close. Shh, shh, shh. Be quiet. Close, close. Oh no, something's gonna happen. Ooh, don't pop up, don't pop up, don't pop up. Ooh. What's that? I've lost control. I had somebody breathing. I was gonna be that freaky woman. Hi! Oh no, now I want to turn back around. Hi! Hi! Hi. Oh gosh, what the heck? Now? 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 I guess there's nothing. Hello? Ugly woman, what you doing? What are you doing? Stay away. Stay away. Birdbeak. Ooh. This is tense. Wait, I need to shut that. I guess it doesn't matter. She's gonna pop up. What's that? Oh, this is scary. What the heck? Ah, I'm getting hurt. Run! Run! What the heck? Bucket! Bucket! What? Why are you loading? Oh, that was just a nightmare.
I hope.
Do I have to go back out there? I'm back in my room. You just saw what was out that door. I'm staying here. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm actually in my bed right now. I'm just sitting down. Okay. No. Okay. I should have seen that coming. I should have seen that coming. Okay, well, that was the corridor. Oh,